This is my 2006 Mustang GT with a built 5.4 liter in it, 3.4 Whipple, 24 pounds of boost, makes around 900 to the tire. I'm selling the motor complete. It may or may not come with that blower, depending on what's offered for it. And I'm going to do a fire up. Everybody can see that the motor's in great condition. Just doing a different swap. And here we go with the fire up. Runs clean, runs smooth, absolutely nothing wrong with it. Like I said, I'm just changing my setup. Fired it up about a minute ago, still has 72, 74 PSI oil pressure. I'll rev it a couple times.